Passage number 2. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Start. I am directed to refer to this department's circular letter of even number, dated 5th November, 1966 on the subject noted above, and to state that the competent authorities have not taken proper steps to finalize cases of departmental inquiries and criminal cases against suspended government servants, with the result that many government servants have remained under suspension for 1 year to 14 years. Full stop. This was brought to the notice of the governor, who has ordered that these persons should not be allowed to remain suspended indefinitely. Full stop. In order to avoid prolonged suspension of government servants and employees of autonomous bodies, it has been decided that every secretary to government of West Pakistan should get the facts of each case from his office and authorities subordinate to him and review it and try to either dispose of the case or, if possible, reinstate the person. Full stop. The cases which cannot be finalized by the administrative secretary, should be discussed with the additional chief secretary, Services and General Administration Department. Full stop. Information about such cases should be sent to Services and General Administration Department in the proforma given below. Full stop. The date of the meeting will be communicated to each administrative secretary after the proforma is received. Full stop. According to Services and General Administration Department circular letter, dated the 24th August, 1962, the authority competent to suspend a government servant should, on expiry of 3 months period from the date of suspension, place the matter before the appellate authority regarding the admissibility of retaining the government servant under suspension any more. Full stop. The appellate authority has to fix the further period of suspension and review the case on the expiry of the period so fixed. Full stop. These instructions should be carefully complied with. Full stop. It has also been decided that suspended persons will have a right of representation to the appellate authority when the period of suspension exceeds 3 months, the appellate authority will consider the representation on merits. Full stop. This may be brought to the notice of all concerned. Full stop. The